How to download CapCut on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now click on the start icon given at the bottom left corner. Now click on for horizontal lines, all apps option. Scroll down, head towards the app Microsoft Store. Open it. Make sure you have logged into your Microsoft account. Now at the top you can see the search apps option. Type in your CapCut. After app appears, you will see that option of install. You have to click on it. It is a large file, so it might take a while to download, so you have to wait. After completion of its download, you can close this app and you will see CapCut app in your home screen. This was very easy and quick process. This is how you download CapCut on your PC. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos.